So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
JJLEE Squad, is your boy Jordan, and I'm back with another mod for the Chally Orange Demon. As y'all can see, the tail lights are doing wonderfully. I got something coming for that. I don't like that just blank like that. But here's the other surprise mod. Wickerbill with a little clear top from PSDESIGNS Automotive Concepts. Of course, you know you got a drill. It comes with a rivet tool included. That's what it sure is. Rivet tool included. Easy installation, perfect fit. So, guess I'm gonna take that beautiful thing off. But I'm gonna stick it back on with something. But here we go. I'm not showing my address or nothing too much. But yep, there you go. Y'all stay tuned. I'm trying to find some drill bits real quick, and let's see what we can do with this thing. Remember, I have never done this before. I'm learning. Y'all learning. Let's get started. JJLEE Squad, this is what's inside of it. Of course, the Wickerbill right here. Gotta take this clear tape off real quick. This is a little quick unboxing for y'all. Let me turn it around. Look at that finish, bro. Look how good that looks. Ah, a good wipe down. There you go. And here is the freaking clear part that goes in the middle. I ain't gonna fully wrap it right now because I'm still gonna find a drill bit. But there you go. PSDESIGNS. Just gonna do a quick little unboxing. It's on like it's 3-part, pretty easy. Just got a drill. Comes with the rivet nut tool. I'm gonna watch the instructional video again and let's see how this goes. Squad part 3. Now, you know I keep it real with y'all all the time. You know. No, I don't have a drill bit. Have a drill. I'm drilling it. Don't have nobody to hold it. My grandma finally came on, so she helped me with that. Okay. Oh, that's all I'm showing. Luckily, the Wickerbill isn't see-through. Yes, I did mess up on some holes, but like I said, I got my drill bit. There you go. Got the new holes lined up. Here is the rivet tool. Like I said, you stuff it in the hole. I gotta make these holes a little bigger, but you stuff it in there with the wrench. Hold it. Screw that in with a 7/16. 7/16. Where is it? Yeah, right here. 7/16 wrench. Then that goes inside the hole. Tighten it up. You're done. Just like that. But that's part 3. I just wanted to show y'all my error, my trial and error. I got right holes now, hopefully. It does look pretty good, I guess. I'm gonna get these rivets in, and I guess I'll be back for part 4 for y'all, man. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Oh my God. This is not a fail yet. This is not a fail. Squad, I am back. And even with my ugly drilling holes and not even having a freaking drill bit, I have got the Wickerbill in. And let me see which, because you need this special tool to screw. Yeah. Hex tool to screw them in. I think it was T27. Yeah, it was T27. Remember that. T27. Drill bit. 2564 drill bit required. I did not have that. I bootlegged it. Y'all saw it happen. Please have a drill bit, because I got ugly holes behind that now. But luckily, the holes didn't show through. But here you go. This drilled in pretty good. You saw that ugly bad hole. But other than that, it looks pretty clean. Pretty clean. Alright, there y'all go. Oh shoot, I almost fell. That is the Wickerbill installation for the Challenger. I kind of looked on this side too, so it can be kind of even, which it looks pretty dang good. I'm gonna have something to put like right at the top right here. But other than that, installation is a success. Even having the wrong tools, it took a minute, but you know. It's right here. I probably need to adjust that one a little bit because it's not center. That one. But other than that, it is on. Can shake it. It's on there good. And there y'all go, man. Just a quick install. Like I said, it really wasn't hard at all. Just you gotta have, it comes with the rivet tool. Just have a 25/64 drill bit so you can drill into that correctly. Have someone to hold it, have tape or something. Cause the first time I thought it was even, had the holes all messed up as y'all saw before. So have someone to hold it, drill bit, wrench, or locking pliers, T27 hex bit, and a drill. And y'all should be good. And there it goes again, another nice look. Guess I can back up real quick and show it again. Bro, that looks sick. I really like it, honestly. Had just some screws, but I really like it. Matches with the tail lights perfectly. That nice little gloss black see-through thing. It looks really good, bro. Really good. I'm glad I did not get chrome exhaust tips. That would have messed up the flow. But other than that, there y'all go, man. The install is complete. I'm happy with it. It's another surprise mod. I do have more coming. I'm gonna start focusing on the engine, and kind of want to spruce up or make my interior look a little better. I'm trying to look for seat covers or something like that. My leather is a little cracked, but my seats are good. But I just want to change it up, add a little orange, tired of just a stale, regular looking black. So I want to try to get that done. Now I'm looking at cams. I want to cam this baby up, add a little more power, because she is sitting at like 310, 193. So yeah, that's pretty much it. She's been doing good. No issues, no engine light still. I'm sitting pretty, and she's sounding good. But yeah, let y'all get another look at it. Close in on it. Close in on it. There you go. Well, alrighty, JJLEE Squad. We'll catch y'all later. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Leave a comment if y'all have any questions. Hit me up on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. And it's all in the link in the description. I will catch y'all later. Like, subscribe, favorite, share it. And subscribe today to become part of the JJLEE Squad. Peace, y'all. I'll catch y'all later. Oh yeah, Snapchat. Mod done. Can anybody say 2-piece Wickerbill for the Orange Demon RT? Nice gloss back to match the tail lights. Now, you tell me what y'all think.